So yan, mega loud shout out everyone. I'm here again and Flow Water. Look at that. Ooh, Flow Water. Yeah. Update po tayo. Andito ulit si Maria Duty sa Flow Water. Look at that. This is the place and Flow Water. Ooh, Flow Water again. That is the highway. And there are restaurant here on my side. Medyo mahangin pa din. Doon ako nag-duty. Yan. Ay yung Ferris wheel ng Blue Water. Yan. Yan. May uwak doon. Yan ang Blue Water. Dito ako nag-duty. Yan. Sa 7th floor. Diba? Very nice place here. That is the highway there. Over there. Yan, may restaurant dyan. Yan, yun yung aking bag, oh. Maraming mga foreigner dyan, oh. Yan yung bus na tourist bus. Yun. Big bus. Dubai. Look at that. Big bus Dubai. Look at that. That was the big bus Dubai. Bye, madam. Si Ma'am Ina, sumakay na sila doon. Diba guys, ang ganda-ganda dito sa Blue Water. Medyo may pagka-clean and green. And then yung nasa taas na yon, daanan yon papunta ng beach. Beach ka. Going there. Ganda-ganda dito guys. Sobrang linis dito. Ako ay nagkakaroon ng time mag-vlog pagka ganito na waiting ako sa service. Habang dito ako naghihintay. So, dito lang. Hindi naman ako pwedeng lumayo. Marami sanang magandang puntahan doon sa may beach. Kaya lang bawal akong lumayo. Kaya dito lang ako. While waiting. Tapos may mga kainan dyan. Sa may likod ko. Yan. Kahit mainit na ngayon dito sa Dubai, naka-jacket pa rin ako. Kasi yung hangin dito, masyadong tawag no, nagtitiparan nga yung buhok ko. Yan. Yeah. I have already video here before, you know, because this is my part of my lifestyle here in Dubai. That is the big bus, tour bus. A lot of foreigners here enjoying their vacation. I'm still here. super hangin siya. Kaya naka-jacket pa rin ako. Look at this. This is the water. Once again, I'm still here. So, payat na si Magia, oh. 1 week na hindi na nagkasakit. Oh, super payat na. Woohoo!